Hi guys, Fred Zent here from Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Heartland Sundance 297 QB. Come on inside, I'll show you the features. What I like is when you walk in here, you have opposing slides with a booth dinette, a tri-fold bed. If you come around to the back here, this is for families with multiple kids. You got 4 bunks with storage. When you come into the kitchen, you got a nice island with solid surface countertops, stainless steel dual sinks. Over here you have your TV, your microwave, plenty of storage. The storage also passes through to the outside. Storage above the stove and the oven. You got a 3-burner oven top, nice little stove in there, a double door Dometic refrigerator. Come on back to the rest of the coach. I'm going to show you the bathroom first. When you walk in here, you got a nice glass enclosure corner shower, vanity above the sink, storage below. And then you got additional storage for towels, washcloths, knickknacks. And then come on into the bedroom. Got more storage here. Couple drawers for socks. Drawers on both sides. And a storage above the bed. Nice queen size bed. And storage underneath the bed for big blankets. You have a full pass-through for plenty of storage, chairs, tables, along with 2 7.5-gallon propane tanks. As I mentioned earlier, you got a pass-through with an outside stove, 2-burner stove, and a sink with the faucet as well. More storage, which passes through to the other side. Makes it very easy to get to your storage. And like I said earlier, your full pass-through with all your drains, your outside shower, your water connections, and again another 7.5-gallon propane tank as well over here. And then you got storage underneath as well. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2018 Heartland Sundance 297 QB, give me a call. My number is 541-729-9500. Thanks again.